You subscribe yet?
Susie, what happened? Listen now. I that them I tell you. Listen, all I know in another class they are 18, you know. And enough of them don't brighter than you. So what? The amount of people within a world we do all 5, 6, 7, 8 subjects. And some of them pass the whole of them, some of them don't pass all of them. Some not pass none. You at least you went to 8 and pass 5. I just 3 alone you not pass. Numeracy, literacy, and science. I'll make you do them over. Don't worry yourselves who they call you dunce. Then dunce than you. Are jealous, then jealous. And enough of them who want to tell us you're dunce. You give them one bulla with their name pan it, then turn around and near me. Because then don't even know say their name the pan it. Don't follow them. Don't make what them say make you feel down. Don't put what them say in your head. You hear them, but just not listen. Not listen to them. Act like you not even hear them either. You know business about that. Me, I gonna make you go one evening class. You know Patrick will live in over the same apartment where we live. In the evening class, you never know when you live in the same building. So me I go talk to him and tell him, say me I go make you start for my evening class. You understand? So me I go make you go to evening class. You have to pass the 3 subjects, so you go have 8 subjects. Don't worry yourself about who they chat and they flatter them out. You're not busy with people. Sometimes you have to make people talk and act like you don't hear them. Jealous man, then jealous. Yeah. When me I go get money from pay feet, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. As long as I know nothing bad me I do forget it, I will work for my sweat and get all my money them and pay for your evening class. You have to come out to something good in a real life. This man is about to come charge me for money now, you know. Oh. Patrick! Patrick!
Hello.
Yeah. Oh. Patrick, you can give me a few minutes there, please.
Shanika. What's up, my neighbor? What's happening?
Good day. Me say I have some extra lesson over here. I would like my daughter to come. What's the cost?
Well, for you to do a discount still, you know. I mean, you're my neighbor after all. Can you just give me one $3,000 a session, and I can take care of it for you.
Alright.
What specific area she working on?
Oh, she want to do numeracy, literacy, and science right now.
Numeracy, literacy, and science.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's right up my alley. I can definitely assist her. So the hours are after school, which is after 5:30 thereabout, until 6:30. Good?
Okay.
Sometimes we go up to 7, but not all the time. Cool?
Okay.
And you will see improvement and you will see results, guaranteed, after 2 months, but you not get back your money.
I don't want back your money, I just want to know so she get where she come from over here. That
Alright.
good man.
And that's intended to what I plan to do. Make sure so she get where she come from.
So, she didn't get no break or so? She gonna get break?
I mean, we don't know, because it's such a short period of time, we don't really do breaks, you know. But if should in case, because you live right there and she want to have a snack, no problem. But it's not like
so
it's...
you don't give them something to eat after break time and nice, you know? Out of the 3,000 we collect from everybody. Patrick, man, you have two man, you're going too bad now.
Listen to me. I am offering my services at a very low cost. These kids should be happy and glad that I'm actually doing this, because I could have come home after I left work and go sleep.
Patrick.
However, I see the need for me
Patrick.
in helping these kids.
Patrick.
So the little money, no matter watch that.
At 3 times, I say Patrick and you feel listen. Patrick, me your friend. And me your neighbor. And if I never trust you, teach me daughter and give her something for me when she hungry with the rest of students them. I would make she come over here. Patrick, 3,000 is enough money, you know. So imagine that Jesus, so the 3,000 is just to teach her.
It is just to take care of the classes, ma'am. Take care of my hours that I commit to helping them with them studies and them homework and helping them to be better in school. And
all right, anyway. When she can start?
Well, she can start tomorrow evening.
Okay.
Tomorrow
you can
evening.
Remind me time when she will come again?
Between 5:30, between 5:30, because
Okay.
that's when I'm home from school.
All right, so thanks here.
All right, no problem. And please do make first payment
Me I go
as
give
she
her it.
come. Right.
As she
good.
go carry come. Patrick, you know me long time.
I just want to say that. Okay.
Yes. Patrick, you should have known me better. I mean, go here and she not come over yet. Susie go come tomorrow and she will carry money.
All right.
All right, later, yeah?
All right, Chanika.
Yeah, thanks.
Have a good evening.
Mm-hmm. Susie,
Yes, mommy.
you know, from the other day, I did want to talk to you about your extra lesson where you take. That extra class, the way I go. I really want you to get it, want you to take it good in your brain. I want to connect. When you go to evening class over Patrick yard, please, may I ask you, think positive, focus on where I teach you. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Because I love you very much. I want you to come out as a progressive youth. I know you're 18. I don't want you to think say I'm overprotective to me and your mother. Like me I overdo it. Listen, me and your mother, even if you're 100-year-old, I'm still your mother. Whether I'm alive or me dead and gone, God forbid. I hope I don't die before the time. But I want you to come out as an ambitious person. You're a very nice girl. 18-year-old, thank God you don't get pregnant in school. That means you're very ambitious. You're not only pretty, you know, you're ambitious. You know, only thing I want you to do now, study harder. That's why I will walk and wash the whole of dirty clothes them in my area and out of my area too. Just to pay Patrick to make you get where me want to go in your head. Education is the key to success. You understand? Ambition is a part of the plan. Thank God you not pick up no baby before time because baby not wearing. Me love your body, no, my daughter. Susie, me love you very much. And the way me love you, me want you to live a better life than me. When me used to live before. I want you to live a good, decent life. Please, me, I beg you. Just go and study. Go to evening class. The time soon up, you soon stop. I just few more months you have leave. And then you get your subject, then you have your certificate. That means you can get any job you want. And I want you to be an ambitious young girl as an 18-year-old, so the rest of girls them we're out there in the world learn off of you. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Good. So just keep it up. Realize you do good in a class and everything. Me love you, my daughter. Here? I love you very much. You don't have anything to tell me?
Yeah, I forgot to tell her. You know, I say Patrick asked me for more money when I give me money for him. Say he want more money. I can look a bit of money that they give him.
Here, yeah. I that the money they in charge me. So I that the money they me give for him. And more money you want?
You want more money?
You look like a smarty, my look. Me not have no money for give him. I when charge me, I eat me send go give him. He out order, me pay him by the day. Because the way thief him charge me by the day and I charge me too much money to him. Lucky say me give you so much money to give him. Anyway, it feel like mosquito or sandfly around here so. So finishing out your clothes then, may I go around?
Alright. Sir. Patrick.
Hello? I just hurry up. I just stepped in, you know, like a time in me, man. I just stepped in. Look at him. Come sit down.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I'm fine. See the money here for the second class.
So why is it only 2,000 that she give it to give me?
I don't know that alone didn't give me figures to make you. I don't know.
You think 2,000 can pay for the amount of work that I'm putting in this thing?
Shaniqua, give me a second. I want to hear about with you.
Make a love mix up so I love people business.
What do you mean mix up?
You live just across from me. And you hear me and my neighbor over here search, although you are my neighbor too. But you're too inquisitive.
No,
you're too fast.
But you not talk so loud, no, but everybody want to hear something. Me hear more know what go on.
What don't concern you, leave it alone.
What you talk about?
That's why you're always in a problem. And you come all the way over this side to come ask me what they going over here, so?
No, me I come tell you, so me see what I go on sometime too, and me have the same thought. So nobody feels here because she
wait, them want to say for chick here, chick. What they going over here, so? Where you see all the while?
Me see the girl come out, little girl come out.
Which little girl? My daughter?
Your daughter come out of the, cause a class they have a show. Me your class are going, but it's like after class, you don't like the conversation them. You know what I mean? Like a check up and make sure she's alright and even if you talk to your daughter cause she look like she licky, cause she ask him and say if he can buy her ice cream at some point. You understand me? I say, so you have to know where you do to.
Let me tell you something. Mistress or Mr. Nosy Parker. You see my daughter?
Mm-hmm.
She not have to beg ice cream. Me
Yeah.
can bite and give it to her. I can do it. Me never left come over your yard and ask if you want red cent yet. Me never ask if you're dying to buy me daughter anything. So you come now and make up story. Mine look here, look me daughter too.
No.
Because me and your friend long time.
Listen.
And you're my neighbor. And you sister signal going over here, so you know make me know.
So that make you don't know. Every day,
When?
you
When
know,
me don't see it for myself
but
already?
me can't see you. Every day you're gone on the road. Me not see you. Enough time I come knock on your door.
I going to
and
tell you something. Oh, me know this thing going on because nobody never tell me so. It look like in a real life, me always hear that saying. I say, parents always hear last. Everybody else know what parents picnic they do or
Yeah,
what parents
but-
picnic nah do. The mother or the
Shanika,
father last
Shanika.
always hear what they go on in their kids' life.
Shanika, hear me.
But I me figure out it for myself. And my daughter tell me, you know.
Shanika.
Albert, stop call me Shanika. My name Shanika.
But
You look like you have a girl named Shanika. Let me tell you something. Albert, whether you believe it or not, and nobody tell me because you never tell me and you're a news carrier in a community.
what me
You
want to ask
understand?
about,
I
listen.
hear me, listen. Oh, me find out. You come for fast, let me tell you the lingua.
Alright, how you find
My
out?
daughter in her sleep.
What?
And they call out Patrick name. Leave me alone, don't touch me. No, if my mother find out, me go get in a problem. My mother said me if you just come to evening class and take this subject them and so me
How
can
old she be?
pass 18. I don't care. She's young and she not ready for no crosses, man.
I see sure it's not share force upon the man. You sure about that?
My daughter would never dare do
But
something
alright,
like
the
that.
long and short of the story, this is what I really want to come over about. Stop tell people say make broken eye people in place. Because you are chat.
Hey, Albert. Me are the only somebody you know fi look pan and tell them if you stop tell people that. Because he come over TV, Jay.
No, I lie, I never my
He
story.
come
that.
over
I
CBM
know-
say you broke people them place.
Me?
And if
This
when-
a local business that come back. Yeah,
if me did
that I think you
shut
might
up your
mix
mouth,
up, you
you
know?
have mix up, you a blender. If me did use my mouth like how you use your old stupid tongue and so ring out it, police would have lock you up. Cause you broke people them place with you
Me no broke
damn
no people
thief.
place. Me no hey,
You think say me no see you when you left and go Patrick yard? Eh? You think me need to pass in a one taxi
see me go
and
Patrick
me
yard?
stop behind the banana tree and hear you they tell Patrick how people are tell like pan you say you go broke place and you not do it? You're a criminal. So stop it.
So you see me a Patrick yard?
So you think you can come trick me? Of course me see over there. You're a
Listen.
news carrier. Who to tell if
Listen,
you know they
listen,
come
listen.
carry news to me? You're a tail bearer and care about news to Patrick. But
What?
Patrick a chatty mouth too and he mix up just like you. So anything you tell Patrick, remember say my teacher, you know, teacher love chat like me. Me know say me swallow radio.
Alright, you are going.
So me love chat for a long time.
Me a tell you
get
this.
paid for talk.
Me a tell you
You
this.
not get no pay for stop talk.
Send and spread my name round the place.
Albert.
Because I you then say attack. And everybody will come to you, it come like
So-
say,
oh.
you're not feeling a conversation
You
with
come
them.
fi come mix me up in your story.
No,
say
no,
I'm me
mix
then
me
say
up.
attack.
And are you then say?
Me.
Of course are you.
Patrick, you know, say me plain and straight and down to earth already. If me a tell you say you're a thief, you're a damn thief. And me they look on you now and tell you say you're a thief. Me not have to walk and tell the neighborhood say you're a thief. You're a criminal and you have to stop thief.
Alright.
Me know your mother
You see
long
you?
time.
You see you?
And your mother is a good
You want to
woman.
thief? You want to thief? Watch thief.
How you can do? Try broke me place. Me take me dirty jaws and lick in your ears bell.
Patrick. Make have a word with you. Can come around. Well gone, Patrick.
Yeah, I did, Albert.
Oh, God. You see, me always like to set things straight. Me see you post something for your status. I mean, you talk to? Like, you know, the things you post, you know, like, me don't know. Like, sometimes, me watch them and me, a long time I want to come talk to you, because you have to post some things. You know what I mean, about don't buy the hands who feed you. And, you know, like, careful of the things you do and,
Big man,
you know.
big man.
Well,
Like me tell a lot of other people,
mm,
stop watch people post. You cannot watch my post and then assume say it is about you.
So me I ask you about me. It's about
It
me.
is not about you, sir. Somebody post me see, I'm like what it say, I'm just repost it something. As a matter, wait, you guilty or something?
No, I'm not guilty or something, but you know, like, you know, people have conscience and people have thoughts and people have ways of reason and I wonder and all them. Something just want to clear the ear. Come here, friend, you know, you're a
It not nothing
teacher.
to do with you.
You're a teacher and you know what I mean? You always, have some lessons in your life and then something. Something, I don't know if you want to teach me something, or, you know, like you have, you know.
Well, I want to teach you to stop watch people's status and take it to heart. Freedom of speech, don't make nobody carry down with what them say. Just leave it wait there. Don't take it.
Well, that's true still. You know, next thing I want to tell you, Patrick, you're a teacher, a long time you're the road. Why is it that you don't buy a car? You can't, what? Government not pay enough if you can't even buy a car and sit there.
You see, I believe in everybody doing them things for them way and not for them pace and not for them speed. You see, everybody can do for them thing. Everybody is in their own right, you know. I believe that my pace is when I accumulate all the money that I need to purchase my car, I go and do it. I don't want to do it through no loan agency. I don't want to do it through no student loan bureau. No.
Okay.
Straight cash more and buy my car. Because
Straight
I don't
cash.
want to pay back.
Okay, like
the agency
interest.
them. Because that interest rate, it is a killer. And then we have your pay for the rest of your life. I'm going to depend on that.
I understand that.
So me I go save and keep on saving until me accumulate the money I want. Right now, I want to find one the 3.5. And I just want 1.2 more to deal with it.
So when you say you save, like you save like a bank you save? Bank is a nice place to save, brother. You can't save a bank. When you save a bank, you will go wrong there one day and hear say bank lock down for you. That you want to happen to you? You can't have them kind of situation there where which day one woman go to supermarket. See, woman have been savings, you know. And she go in and she go to supermarket and she take up what she want because she can afford what she see, what she want. And she carry up at the cashier. And when she carry up at the cashier, she swipe her card. You know what they say? Decline. Card decline. And she said, no, it's impossible, you can't work that way then.
You know, sir, I did read that story there, but I never follow up on it.
Yes, I said, no, can go on. So what you need to do? The next time, as a matter of fact, whatever you have about, make it turn, but the next time we have save the yard. You understand me I say?
So yeah, I say, because I have a partner job for collect, you know.
God, Jesus.
And my plan is I go put it in at the bank, match it up with what I already have there, and then the next chop, next piece of food I pull down, I'm able to buy my car.
You know that me I talk about save your yard, because them are going to take, alright, when you go for collect your money now, you know what I'm going to tell you? Say? You have to pay interest, to collect your own money or you save with them. And then when push come to shove now, they're not going to want to even give you money. They're going to tell you if you take loan. For your own money what did they? That makes sense?
You know about that?
No, that me I talk about save your yard, man. Save your yard, that's the best way for you. And you're a teacher, so you go easy to get everything set to what you want soon. But don't save a bank, brother, that makes no sense. You know what I say?
I don't know how say I eat that, you know, but that makes little sense.
So,
I want to have access to my money when I'm ready for access to my money.
so I will say me that. Somebody you have conversation about that.
They don't know teeth, mouth and tongue say, but that don't know how they pan.
I bet say that woman that was a loud mouth woman across the road. Everything good now. I know say I'm she. Because me and she really live good, you know. That's her problem, you know. Because she claims say me come over her yard and take her things when me never about. You understand me I say? And me don't understand why she feel say all Rasta is the same Rasta. Me not understand that part neither. You understand? But that's a different conversation. She want to see me. A judge, a court me one carry go, you know. Court me one carry go right now because she come talk all these things. I can't what the word deflame. What the word them use again? Defamation of character.
Defamation of character.
Defamation. Defamation of character. Yeah, that's what she want to do to me. I'm going to upon that.
So, I never you.
No, brother, I'm not them things, man. I'm not that guy.
What did she say you take?
Hmm?
What should he say you take?
she said me take. She can't say me take no. She said she see me, but I don't know what I take. That's the first thing. You understand me? I say.
Okay.
But you want to go and big up yourself, you know, because I just want to know that me I talk to personally, because sometimes some of them status things just look personal. You understand?
Not at all.
Very personal, and me as a person where, you know, me like to find out what go on and all them things. But
I get you.
big up yourself, you know. And thing is soup like a soup here. Every day drink soup.
Nice out there, you know?
Every day from 12 o'clock and midday drink soup. Why? I have to stay here, you have soup to drink. You teacher, yo, I hear me. Big up yourself, you know. Here? And we keep link.
Well, bro.
Oh. Whew.
Super.
Hello. Patrick, I need to talk to you. I'm not even about the lucky yet.
What on, neighbor?
Oh, you forgot my name. You forgot my name now. We no friend for a long time. You're damn right. You're damn right, Patrick. Say you no remember say my name Shanika. But everything good. Me come to talk to you about my daughter.
What is it this time?
3 weeks ago, me start send Susie come take extra lesson with you. Right?
You're not seeing any results?
I know the result of the problem. Yes, me as the result.
So what is the problem?
You is the problem. You, Patrick, is the problem. Me notice my daughter. They talk in her sleep and I call your name. Oh, Patrick, don't touch me there, so. Patrick, why you do that? No, Patrick, me don't want my mother find out. In her sleep. And when people go out in bed and talk things in their sleep, if he no go so, he near so. Patrick, me not like where you go on. My daughter in her sleep. Leave me alone. No, my mother send me to go and do extra lesson because she said me have to get the subject here. No, touch me. You can't just wait till me done
Shanika,
class.
stop it. I don't believe you.
Now talk to me so like I'm a child.
I don't believe you.
What you mean you don't believe me? Next time when me hear her in her sleep attack, me go record her and make you hear it.
You I don't understand what is it you want, you know. You send your girl come to me to get good education, to get
not
good
for free.
teaching.
Me pay you.
And you are getting the results. Now she call me name in her sleep. It no must honor me alone name Patrick, you know.
I fear you actually come and you me know as Patrick, you alone she know name Patrick when 1 million Patrick there in the world.
No. You're accusing me. Look here, no
me
man.
Me not accuse you. From me they come through the gate, you look suspicious.
Suspicious?
Yes, like you're guilty before me even say it to you and you don't know me they come to you about. That you want to say?
I was simply wondering what it is now that you're coming to me about, my friend.
Remember, I normally come to you about anything. And it must be something why me they come to you. Patrick, do me they beg you. You see, if you they teach me daughter, Susie, please in the name of Jesus, no molest her. Just teach her because me they pay you. It's not for free.
Hello, listen to the words and the accusation that you come into my house, into my yard and accusing me.
Accusation, but it correct, it right,
It is
no
not,
false.
Miss, you do not have any form of evidence to prove that me, Patrick, right,
You're damn right.
is molesting your daughter. As a matter
You're
of fact,
right.
I don't even want you to talk that so loud because you're going to make other people go think I'm doing these things. I don't like it.
Even though my daughter 18-year-old, she not ready for no man yet. Because I don't want him to take up no all man who can be her father. You is a teacher and you do extra class, that's why I send her over your yard. Me and you are neighbor, but we're not friends again as friends today.
Listen to the disrespect.
And disrespect, I am sending my daughter over by your yard for you to teach her the extra lesson so she can get some subject, not for you look her. And if she talk how you they do this and that in her sleep again, me go record her and make you see no lie. Why should I talk something in her sleep and it not go so?
Probably she just like me.
Like you, the blood of Jesus. Stop it!
What you talking about?
God forbid.
So what am I, not likable?
No, you're too bushy. And my daughter trim. You idiot. Patrick, you chat about me. Why you want me take time talk? If not no go so, why you don't want the people in for here?
Because you will spread false news and propaganda there.
Propaganda your backside.
I don't want nobody to
False
tarnish
news
my name.
where?
I am an upstanding citizen in this place, you know.
Really?
People look up to me, you know.
Where?
The kids them look up to me. I am a good teacher. I have decoration from one wall to the next on me what inside my house.
My daughter is 18 but she's virgin. I don't want you to spoil up her virginity. Look at you. I don't want you to spoil my daughter before time. My daughter need an ambitious man. A man that can fly plane and own almost the whole of Jamaica and United States and Canada. Look at you. You think so too because you're a teacher that means you can come control my daughter mind? Patrick, if you want me to continue friend, you better just teach me daughter and don't touch her. Don't put no intercourse argument to her. Don't molest her. Just make it on right there so.
You know, so I think it better you got your yard.
Yes, me go report you. So me no know what you do. Try style me now. You can't style a styler.
I think it better you got your yard.
Why?
Because you're over here loading up your mouth and talking ludicrous.
Ludicrous? In their foreign. Me not talk about him. Me talk about you, dirty Patrick.
Jesus Christ.
You know what? Me don't come out me. Me don't come out your yard and go for me yard. Because you feel so you can't style me. You cannot style a styler. Next time we will talk about this and continue the conversation because you're going like you're smart to be a teacher. And to me, I'm not a teacher, me I don't spot. Everything good. Big up yourself, Patrick. You will want more salt over me yard. Every time you use salt and pepper and onion and okra as excuse to come at me yard, you want to see me that. You're a damn criminal.
I don't believe you, you know. Look at how I do. Look at the things that I'm doing. Eh? I'm making your daughter smarter, more intelligent, and brilliant, and you come and accusing me of such things. I am appalled.
Yeah. What do you mean by that? What? Him collect money today? Oh, okay. So him have money out store over yard. I know we could account for you, you know, man. I'll see if I can call him and go over yard now and see if I can. Yeah, man. As a matter of fact, I can see him outside there, so. So you can get through the money. Give thanks, man. May I give you a fair cut, man? Yo, stop a foolishness, man. You must give a fair cut. You must get fair share time money. Alright. Cool.
I wonder if these kids really know what they're writing when they're writing. 9 and 9 is 27. Oh, God. 6 is 38. Lord help me. Them picking here don't know A from Bullfoot and them out for graduate and go into this world. Eh?
How go on, Patrick?
18% out of 100.
Oh, book your mark.
Ah, God.
May I try to call your phone now, Patrick?
Well, my phone left inside there, sir. What one?
Come on, really want to. Alright, and like I'm there, so I can forward in.
Yeah, man, come on. 16 plus 12 is not 32. When you know if you add, you not take away. When you know if you take away, you not multiply. When you know if you multiply, you not divide. Me can't bother. 6 out of 100. Lord Lucretia. Where are you, Albert?
You know, say,
stress me.
No, boy, it's like you left a seat there for me. Over there, I want easy, man, but I do some question I want to ask you and thing.
As usual, you always have questions.
But I want to call up your phone and talk to you, because, you know, I don't know if you feel comfortable, I come over here enough time and sit, you know?
I don't feel so good from
see,
but
hold it, man. Let's hold it.
Alright, sorry about that. Continue.
Yeah, man. So I say, You want to get through there thing, true? Because, I'm concerned with the facts of money if you buy a car, bro. I see I walk up and down and thing and, you know what I mean? I see I do extra class and so forth. You know what I mean? And I see how your class is going good and, but more if you buy a car. So you don't get through with nothing yet, like
I did actually follow your foolish advice and I did take some of the money and I put it down on the inside there, man. Yeah, man.
Because the
I did do that.
well-being of a teacher, is very important.
And you see, I want more people to think like how you think, because they're not thinking that I am doing a proper job. They need to understand the importance of me in this community.
Exactly.
I help the young developing brains to come and lead this world.
True.
Our teachers do that,
True.
I don't know what they did I do with you at the time, but teachers.
No, you see, me never really can't take the book. The book is not my thing. I mean, and you have to identify what is yours from what is.
Albert, give me a minute. Ooh, I soon come there, Albert. Oh, Lord. Whew. You're still there. Boy. Tell him, boss.
Come here, say.
I'm going to let half a load there, see? I appreciate the fact that you stay till me come back out, man, yeah?
But because me a bridge, I couldn't left, brother. There's no me can left and no say, me there want to talk to you.
Aye.
You understand? Yeah, man. But here I go on. My cousin called me a while ago say, them want to help them tow one vehicle. You know what I mean?
Right.
So I got just cut and go. But I'm glad everything will work out for you. You soon buy a vehicle.
Yeah,
I know
man.
them something. I'm proud of you, And if you know that.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man, I'm proud of you, man, and thing. Because
Alright.
I see you walk all the time, man, based on you walking and thing. And look good as a teacher, as spend the time and even help other pitney. Extra class, extra lesson when you're for there. Yo, I'm proud of you, brother. I tell you. Big up yourself, Yeah, I'll get there.
Alright, my boss.
Alright, my boss.
Respect.
Cool,
Respect.
cool.
Yes, sir. What I forget walking. Hey, babe, something. I said, tired of see. Gosh.
Boy,
What you doing out here?
But they mark some book, man. Sure. You pick me the, hey, I'll be a that in a... Boy, never
Don't say that.
Watch you.
Don't say that. You cannot teach your kids them and not talk about
Boy, they head tough.
that. Don't discriminate people like that.
Not at you. I know better.
And I'm serious. Don't ever say that again.
When I say I know better, I do.
I don't like criticism like that.
You're right. But they head hard. They head hard.
It's okay. Just teach the right thing. Carry them step by step throughout the process. They'll get it.
I know, so them will get it, you know. See, me just take it. Me never feel so good at work today. I'm going to bring home 3 books and I come mark them. Hopefully, me feel a little bit better. But marking these books only make me feel worse. The 3 grade them combined still not past 50.
Listen, babes. I know everybody born to be brilliant. You can only try with them. Hopefully, they will get it. If them not get 100% no, they may get it. Just continue to do the right thing. Belly hurt me. I'll go inside and go lay down a little bit because
Alright,
I
then.
feel good.
Do that now, baby. They are so far. Me never feel so good from early, you know, but if you go in there and smell in the bathroom, smell, you could get a number, you know. That's pretty good. What do you think, man?
I know bathroom more I use anyway. Me just not feel good more lay down.
Alright, then go and go lie down, no, man. Sure. You have to wait, you know.
You don't know what to do for him with it.
I come in to fix the situation. They wait. God. Fall asleep already.
No. They are hurting, man.
Yeah.
I feel good. What that?
My phone, man. A message coming, man.
Oh.
Ah.
Rub my foot down for me, please.
Ah.
Alright, so babes,
Mm-hmm.
go for your money on my account because if you're still there on my foot, never fall asleep.
Alright. Go for it, man. You never see one knapsack bag.
Not so much knapsack bag.
One knapsack bag, man. I just put on one knapsack bag.
So you feel look for knapsack
Up
bag
here,
and
so.
let the dry.
But you never, when you come in, you never did see one knapsack bag somewhere.
Me not see no knapsack bag now. What you mean?
One knapsack bag, man.
What color knapsack bag?
One green.
The only knapsack
one
bag
green
when me
knapsack.
carry come when me leave in the living room. What you mean?
One green knapsack bag, man. You sure? You sure you don't see it?
Babes, me not me sure. When you lift me up and look, me not see where.
But me left one green knapsack bag right here, so.
Right where you left the green?
Right here, so me put on the green knapsack bag.
Bag there, so.
So where you put the
In
bag?
the money there. Well, who put the bag? What you talking about?
So now you took out the bag and you take it up.
Babes, listen, cut out this stupidness. Look in the living room if you see it or something. Listen. Hey. Stop. Babes. Look at me. Look here, look at me.
Where you say?
Listen now. Hey, relax. Think straight.
I'm if you relax. I know me put on a right here, so me left the bag.
Listen, me just want you to try to think straight to see if you can remember where you put the bag. Because me not understand. It look like me I want to actually you see me make it fly up in your head.
Yes, so.
Me. Hey.
Yes, so. Right. Yes, so me put on the bag.
It's like that me fly up in your head.
Is you alone coming here?
God.
Babes.
God.
I must joke here. I get it. Where the bag there? Cause it's only God would have come take up his bag.
Listen to what I say. Go and go look for your bag. When you find your account, me want to see.
What you mean by go and go look for my bag?
When you find the bag with the money where you want me help your account, you can call me.
You not understand. You're not getting what me I say now. Is you
alone
alone coming here? What you mean? What you mean?
Hold them here. Take them up off that then.
But what could have caused all of this though, Father God? No, this woman come and me I come thief me money, I come tell me about bag and talk about what I mean. What you mean? You are the only person coming here, babes. What you mean?
You see you? What?
Where you come back here for?
Me not even know where you're depend. Like me not even know if it's that here right now. You really stand up in front of me and accuse me?
So who else? Nobody else not coming here.
Me ask you one question. You have something up your sleeve? What are you doing? Is it that you don't want me to stay here? Me can humbly leave and go to my house, you know. I have a home.
You cannot leave, but you have to give me my money.
Me a last person you want to mess with. Don't play with me.
Look here now. All of that way I say I care about my money, you know. And you are the only person coming in my room.
You know, say you never have no money. I don't think you have money.
But Jesus Christ.
Find out who did they here with
Where the bag where did have? Wait.
Look in our living room, go search it.
Look, Patrice, in the bag, you know. It down in the bag.
I know.
Then Patrice want my money, the Patrice.
I know it's
Patrice
not in my bag.
But you can't, Patrice, you cannot leave and not give me my money. You can't.
Listen to me.
Look how hard me they are save this money to buy the car for we. To make sure say we can stop walking. And you really tell me say you come here come thief the money, Patrice. What kind of woman you be? Eh? What kind of woman you would be?
Babes, listen, lower your voice, please.
Jesus Christ.
Me I got to humbly take on myself and go get my hand.
Take away, go away.
You subscribe yet?
Want to sleep already? You just came? Come on, man, buckle down. We have some things to do, go over. Remember, you have this thing to sort out, you know. And then, baby girl, how you get this one around? You know this. I don't think you're focusing, you know. Honestly, I don't think you're focusing. And one of the reasons why I don't think you're focusing, the other day your mother said to me, say, while you was in your sleep, you actually mentioned my name, but don't touch it. Or don't play with it like that. And she came at me in an aggressive manner as to say, or to imply that I was doing something wrong. Now, I would like to know, when have I ever been inappropriate with you?
Yeah, my mother don't talk like that. So I don't know where to talk about. I don't want no conversation like this. Then again, I not dream and call people name.
That's exactly what she said. And it was so shocking to me. You know, I'm an upstanding person in the community. And to make things like this happen, and it's not good for my reputation.
Well, I don't know about that now, but then again, sometimes my head go and come to somebody. Maybe think, maybe that do it and not go so.
But on a serious note, I think you need to bottle down. You're improving, you know. I see you step up from a 65, now you're gone 80. That is vast improvement. But I wanted to just continue being focused, continue taking the schoolwork seriously. You see me? Focus on that first and foremost, and then everything else will come after. So let's go back over this. this sentence here, so you need to construct it more better. Because if you construct it like this, you will definitely get it wrong. Read it over, gain understanding, then you break it down in your way, and then you think you can better understand it and do it. So go back over that one for me. Cool? Alright. Shanika?
You know, see, you frighten me. I shot me, I go in. How I go on? Morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Me good. Alright.
So how is your daughter progress going on?
She a come on.
Yeah, you like the
Yes,
progress?
better than when time she did the year and I stress out about picnic when they travel in my school and sitting.
See.
So thank you very much.
Yeah man, I'm a part of my job to make sure say I deliver results.
And she did give you money, right?
Yeah man, I get paid and everything.
Okay.
So I have a little thing though I want to ask you about.
Uh-huh.
You see, your daughter has been coming to my house for a little bit now, and I don't know how to put it, but I don't know. Have you seen her brought home no strange looking bag recently?
What do you mean?
I mean, like probably she accidentally take up one bag and have it carried down to your house by any chance. I'm missing a bag, and I can't seem to find it, and I just want to just cover the tracks them as though, I don't.
Patrick,
I'm making an accusation,
what are you trying to say to me? Are you accusing my daughter of stealing your bag from your home or what? Just explain, go to class. For me head kind of chip. Sometimes, at certain time I hear me not have no sense. So you can't just illustrate it out properly for me, make me understand it before me go get it wrong.
What me really I say is that they have one bag with some money in there, and I can't find it, and there's only 2 persons coming at the house.
Blood of Jesus. So what you trying to say? My daughter Susie a thief?
Jesus, I never
It will
said
never
that.
happen.
I never said that, miss.
So why you have to choose to come to me
But
about my daughter? To my daughter alone you teach? No. I bet you not go to the next people them house.
I am going to everybody's house. I'm going to check everybody.
Then, where God love. Patrick, I no quarrel, me a quarrel. Me kind of calm down. Can you say whatever? Patrick, talk to God, truth to God love. The 10 pitney or the 15 pitney them where they teach over your yard. If you go to the 15 parents or the 10 parents them house, one out of them, if a them techie, or even if my daughter techie, you feel say none of the pitney them or the parents them don't tell you say yes, me see them come home with whatever. Who you think say so honest? And a matter of fact, my daughter is not a thief. And she don't bring home any bag. No bag at all. She no carry home no bag more than the so book them. The so God Almighty book them where you see she come with, and she come home back. So you miss bag? That you try say?
I am missing a bag with a hefty amount of cash.
Me go ask her about it. What kind of bag?
It's a grey looking knapsack, and it have a lot of funds in there. It's the funds when I did plan to use and buy my vehicle.
Here.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, then that's so much money.
It's over $1 million.
You're sure? So you're not misplaced it in your house?
I am positive. I've searched.
Patrick,
I don't know where I don't search.
You love hide things. Go back, go look at your seat because me sure say you're not Susie carry home your bag. Me no see that one thing me nah do. Me nah accept no stolen goods or thieving good. Thieving goods I mean yard. No thieving goods. Whether good or goods, I don't care. As long as you understand what me I say. Me nah accept my child to bring home no stolen goods from nowhere because I did not give her a grey bag.
I understand, and I wish, because you are my first stop, I wish that all of the students and parents will deal with the situation as you are handling it right now. Because me really do sit on morals, and I would be really appalled if you believe say is one of the students and when me I help out really do it.
Where say? Where just say?
Me say I would really feel bad.
Oh. Okay. Feel bad.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Say is one of the students them which I am helping out commit such an act.
Like Patrick, you catch me on my good mood this morning. And my good mood you catch me on because me no like people assume and judge kids wrongfully, especially my kids. Especially for me children them. Eh?
I understand.
Me teach my youth for no thief. Don't take when it belongs to you. It is not yours.
Good
if
concept,
you see
good
something
moral.
that you need and it's not yours, sorry. Susie could never dare do that. Bring home somebody stolen goods come out of her yard. See me? Should have planned to go live on her own. And no police now come on my yard. I mean now lock up in no jail take no picnic. And no children now come bite off me ears. Me sure say I know Susie do it.
Alright, Miss Patrice. I really do
I know
appreciate
say not good for you take up for your picnic them because some of them are wicked and then lie Patrick. But me I tell you, me sure say it's not Susie. She no care unless she take you away and give somebody a ticket, but she no care come on my yard.
I believe
matter of
you.
fact, me no believe that she taking no thought. So do one of the next experience them go ask them if they see them kids come home with the cars. I mean now, see I know next picnic taking neither. Who to tell if I know all your girl where you and him did there? Me say you and her gone back together. You did ask her if she take it?
Let us not talk about
No, me not say I know she no come in like judge people. Me say if you ask her different from telling her that she take it. Me not judge people wrongfully because I don't want you judge my daughter. What I am saying is that if you ask her if she see it or if she take it up and put it down for you, or she gone with it, me no know. Me can't say she do it, but guess what? Next thing, your thieving friend when me always sit down in your yard. I'm a friend too, but you and him are more friend than me.
Which who that you talking about?
We live over there, so. Look,
Is Albert
see
in
there,
there?
no house over there, but at the house of me a chat. Dirty thief in Albert. You no know saying thief. You no know say Albert thief. Albert a old criminal for a long time. The amount of time me see you when I go bail Albert when you should have bail Albert because you and Albert are more friend than me.
But me no recall Albert doing no.
Recall?
What you saying? Albert?
You no recall. Me not recall, me don't know say Albert a thief for a long time. The amount of time. You don't know what Albert do the other day. Eh? Albert, my friend gone a foreign and leave Albert in a business place. And Albert sell the things them and thief out my friend money. Yes, my friend
Jesus.
Rosie. Albert is a criminal.
No one never have him to be that character.
Character. Albert look like he has no character at all.
But I have him as such a highly trusted person.
The only character Albert have is to thief. Take one that belongs to him. So as from now, anytime I see him, I go call him thief in character.
Jesus.
His last name is thief in character.
I don't know what to believe
Yes,
right
you
about
better
now.
get that.
I don't understand. Like, he was the last person on the list, you know. I couldn't fathom thinking say Albert would do such a thing because I hear me even suggest. You know what? Thank you.
You remember saying, you know, I'm busy, you know, I have evening class after school and something, so I can't do idle with you again like one time. So as school over, you know, so I have to go this and then I have things to come home and do. On the weekend, I'm busy too. So, you know what, like one time I stop and I said we can go do it again. We can do it, you know, but not as often like one time, you know. So you could do it. Yeah, man, we could. Alright then, later.
Susie,
Yes, mommy.
me say, Patrick come over yard when you're gone a road. How you did there again? A class? I don't know. You did there somewhere. Because the days didn't fly so fast, I don't remember where you did there. But he come over me yard. Come and ask me, say, if me see you carry one grey bag over we yard. Me not understand him. Me I wonder if you look like a thief to him. Or if he ever watch CVM or TVJ and see you as no damn criminal. And little dirty thief in front he should have go ask. When him big fat dirty thinking Albert over there so. Maga foot Albert. He fat and he maga. Me no know him too much chicken back and roast breadfruit. Albert, me no know if I him, but my mind tell me say I him.
So me I start walk and thief bag.
I that me a saying rank, me say, me dey for me good mood, you know. Me did in a me good mood, me did palm me good mood, me good mood was on me. That's why me not deal with him in case. Me just talk to him mild man and good and easy, you know? Cause me kinda understand. You dey come in yard, so you want to find out, but in too out of the wrong mama yard in come. Cause me daughter not thief, he out of there, you see?
But when me a left out in house, he see when me a left. And he see say no grey bag me in my hand.
You see it? And the devil tell him he come straight after me yard first. So the devil tell him say yes, go over Shanika yard, go ask her if her daughter come home with one grey bag. You know say Satan don't want to use somebody. I just so me want this up Patrick, you know. But anyway, you see Papa Ronnie so nice man.
Yeah, me just
And you look like you're tired. Get up a right of place now.
I'm
come grown later.
now.
Later, cause
Alright.
I just thought me did want you to know because he's too out
Wait
of
till I
order.
see him.
No argue with him. Nobody
You
this
better
him.
count
Remember
in days.
no, I your teacher. Me no want you go say nothing to him. Me no want you say nothing to him. Take down your hand from your side when me I talk to you. Yes, put your hand on your side. Yes. But me I train you good for you grow up in a good in the right way and to have manners to people and respect to elders. You understand me? Somebody attack you, put your hand on your side. Yes, sir. No, miss. No, ma'am. Excuse me, please. Thank you. Pardon. You understand? Yeah. Mother and daughter, tuggy. You know me love you, not sure? Alright. Lift up yourself here, Susie.
My brother. You have to take it easy now, man, you know. I like a thing going for me which day and yeah. Yes, you want. Want to get the hair done. So much to do that. Our teacher come with me. Wait. You know Albert this. Alright, me will call you back afterwards and arrange what you want. Just send me a message. Alright? Yeah, man. Cool.
Even you know how long me I still look for you?
How comes?
But brother, about a week and I don't know see you, me general. Me want somebody to talk to and don't know who to talk to.
How that's going?
Brother, me say, boy, me just go hold all one drink here and say, oh, boy, me I tell you, man, my brain just gone.
How would I see him, brother? How would I see him? I was a reason.
Why you never know how I go on, family?
Don't tell me, man. Can you look stressed out?
Brother, you encourage me to, you know. And me I say, oh, to be honest, it was never a bad idea, you know. Because the banking system, how it's set up in Jamaica, you know, you put your money in the bank, and yet still you have to pay them to keep your money, and then you have to pay them to get back your money. So it wasn't a bad idea when they tell me, say, oh, just keep the last part of it in the house. But here was strike me now, number bird, me general. They don't know say the money go missing.
Money missing? Like how missing? Like
watch out, man. You see the CMD when they did come link me? You see after you left?
Yeah.
Come here, they sit down good and we are reasoning and everything alright, you know. And then you go left, my general. You see after you left? My girlfriend forward.
okay.
And boy, me I tell you to blood seed. My girlfriend forward and she go upstairs and I tell her, if I go on upstairs, go chill, because I'm still outside, I go and mark 2 paper.
But you know, some of trust a girl, brother, because, yo, as you are talking, you know, I bet you she misplaced the money. Eh?
Boy, I don't know if I misplace you want to call it, you know, my general, because me I'll search
for the money. I call it thief, because at the end of the day, you know what I mean?
But Albert, me I search for the money, me search hell, me search heaven, me search top, me search, but all know me can't find back my money. At $1.8 million the girl moving.
Yeah, man, boy, rough. Come and say and tell me. Bump on it.
Me say me could be. Me say how could you? Imagine, are you? I walk and me say slippers them are done on the hard floor. And me say yo, me I walk to and me say me I buy a car. And me say yo, I forget a ride because more while it's stressing for you come link me.
Yo, one thing with some woman, you know, some woman dangerous, you know. And wicked, you know, they only think about themselves, you know. Because right there someone knows how she take it. So who else?
Brother.
Who else can really?
Say, brother, I mean? One of the roughest things me I try to put my mind around is something, man. That's why I have to drink, you know. Because I can't.
No, man, you can't drink, brother. Don't do that, man. Yo,
that never done.
Man. Brother, look, you can't be that person because I guess you know, you're not that person. You understand me? I say, so don't try to make because you lose the money. What can get back? You can't get it back, you know. You can't get it back for you lose it one time, you can't get it back.
Brother, and it's not so easy, Albert, man.
You know, say enough money, man, and whosoever have it now, you know what I mean, or see it or whatever the case may enjoy themselves and so forth. But at the end of the day, don't stress yourself, bro.
Well, Albert, it make me all think some things and I feel like I'm a work all look of science, you know, look
No,
of something,
science,
something.
science like what
Yeah,
kind
man,
of
make
science?
somebody walk back with you, man, or sitting, man, or sitting,
Yo,
man.
yo, all of them things, them, man.
Why me no know, Albert, but I can't afford for them go with the money just so, man. I feel like I want to put them, make them turn like a picnic, you see me? Start bark like a goat.
No, man. Don't worry about that part. Then. Left that part alone. Been
No,
through.
man, I feel like a dad
You've
for
been
go
through
on,
too
man.
much in life to want to go out in negative way. That's the way you talk about it, you know. You worship the devil.
So then why should I do something like that? Me want to see she walk like a goat.
No, man. Leave the girl alone, man. Leave them alone, man. You worship the devil or you worship God. Just leave the man. Brother, leave the thing alone, man.
I feel like if I pray, God I go take too long for answer prayer. So I feel like if I go at the local place there, make him deal with it.
No, man, I'm going to listen. It's not worth it.
It's hard to work so much money, you know.
That's true,
And
man.
you earn an honest bread. You know the picking into them duns, head them tough.
You can't get
More while me I tell you say me I mark some paper man and I say, oh God man, me sorry for them parents and them picking it.
Consider this as one little setback. And when you get setback in life, you have to just look forward and know, so boy, you don't make the same mistake again. You understand me? I say, trust who come in here. Because right now, I don't know what she tells and she alone come in here. She alone come in your house. You send her in your house.
You come there too, you know. But you did sit down out the door.
Exactly. Me never come. Me not come in your house like they go in your house and something.
Right, you did sit down out the door. I left you out the door. I'm going in your house so long. And you never see nobody go in there.
No, never see nobody. Me did there wait. I'm
so
on my
that
phone.
me a talk about man. You never see nobody go in there.
And my cousin called me. And my cousin said to me, they like say, you know, them want to get one vehicle, you know, then change one tire for one vehicle and, you know, all them something there. So they say things set.
Well, I don't know to be honest. But I forgot to figure it out.
Yeah man, do you think man figure it out? Because yo, a long time I really live around the side, because since a week now, you know, I'm just setting myself to just come chill up on my girlfriend, yeah.
Yeah, so you move out.
Yeah, man,
that's why I not see you.
Yeah man, I meet a little girl and things. But I have forward back and I have to wash my clothes and things. So
yeah, man. If you come back in my place, man, because I want somebody to talk to my brother, because I don't know how else to cope through this thing, man. It's rough for my brain, my family.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? You see, look when I pass through, I come link you. I'm see if I can even find and dig deep in that certain thing.
Yeah, man, come help me search, man. Come help me search, man. Because 2 years better than 1, you see me?
A 4.
Yeah,
4.
Then, right.
Yeah. So,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, exactly. So, alright. So, how we gonna do it now? I'm gonna link you up. And I see him phone here, right?
Same phone.
And not change.
Not change.
Alright.
Not change.
I'm gonna link you, man. Because right now, I'm on like a phone call. But what you really do, Pastor, though?
Brother, I take a day from school, because I say, I need to clear my head and I don't think I right from my mind to teach them pick me up.
See, the
thing mash me up. Boy, all that. I still do it, you know, because you don't know every income I come in and you look at something and live cash and all that.
Don't stop to do the evening class, because that even can, you know what I mean, push certain things faster. Patrick, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
Stop stress yourself, man. You know what I mean? I don't like to see you say you drink and then sitting there because you last. A little bit of money that, you know. You know, people lose out. You know what I'm to Usain Bolt? Usain Bolt, billions him lose, you know.
Don't compare me to him, yeah,
no, I'm just telling you about the facts. So, when you're a big man, you're a teacher, you know, you're respecting the person of the era and all these
time
things.
I lose the money, the hair all charge up out of my head. So, I don't know. All grey hair start come from my face. So, see, both not lose nothing. They both lose the money and the teeth and get prettier. So, I don't know. Face fix.
Man. Know yourself. As I say, you know, something I work out for you and things. Just left it in the Almighty. You know what I mean?
Something I forgive, you know.
Something I forgive, definitely.
Something I forgive.
I'll see girl that come back around.
One day thing, my boss, but just did that make you know where I'm going.
Yeah, man. Respect and manners. Yes, sir.
Wait, talk.
Alright, baby, you are going. I organize everything for you. And then I come link you back. Alright? Yeah, no, man, I'm not canning you up, man. One thing about canning up, man. I tell you, have you like that, man. Money go forward. See? Alright. You love me? Hello? Rosie!
Yes, sir.
You see Nikki?
You know what I'm saying? God, now you're gonna look for him boyfriend.
What do you mean, got a boyfriend? What are you talking about?
I'm gonna look for him boyfriend down the road.
So, me or boyfriend?
Saying God look for him boyfriend on the road.
Jeez, how could I really be that situation and idea for me? I need to beat, wow. Oh,
How do you call her?
how long she gone?
About 10 minutes now since she
10
gone.
minutes?
Yeah.
Why Nikki really do me this? No, sir. Alright, don't tell us in my comments, you hear?
No, sir.
Alright, respect. You hear, Rosie?
Alright.
Bless up.
Alright.
So, good evening, sir. I want
Hey,
to talk to you about something.
What happened?
What me I get to understand is that you tell my mother say me take bag out of your house.
No, Susie, man.
Tell me
No.
about no, because that's exactly that my mother come to me and tell me say you say me thief. You see me I walk and thief bag?
Susie, I never said that. I
You
said
see
to
me I walk and thief bag?
I did not see you do such a thing.
What did you say and what did you see me do then?
I said to your mother that to ask you or ask your mother if she had seen you accidentally taking up a bag outside
But for
the
your
house.
ask that and that implies say yeah,
No, but you
me
could have
accidentally take up your bag from out
But
your
you could have
house.
mistakenly taken it up things says your bag.
How though? Make that make sense. How though?
Susie.
Me no must know my bag different from your bag.
Susie, it is understandable. Remember say you leave here and a couple of the times you're tired and you just pick up a bag and go.
Nothing like that. Nothing like
Why
that.
you behaving like that? Look here now.
You give me
I am not
a reason to
accused.
behave like that. Of course you did.
I am sorry. I am sorry if it felt or you felt like I was implementing something or implying something. I am very sorry. It was not my intentions or it was never my intentions. You see me?
Don't say it. We do care bother about.
Susie, I am sorry. I understand your frustration with the whole situation. Yes, I do understand. But may just ask if you just understand, say, oh, it's just a misplacing of the whole situation and something happen, and I just want to get it over.
And something happen on my name first call.
It's not you alone I had
My
asked the
name
situation.
first call. You realize that my name no start the alphabet. You know start with A, you know a S, and my name first call. Something happen on my name first call. I mean I walk and thief bag.
I never said that, and I would never imply
Me walk
that.
and thief bag.
I am very sorry.
Apology not accepted. Me walk and thief
But
bag.
can we continue, please? I really just want us to continue.
Yes,
I am
we
sorry.
can continue.
I am very sorry again. Here, Susie, and I promise you, you will never hear that come apart from me again. All right? I am very sorry. Trust me, it was never my intentions to make you feel any which way.
Me? Just no man. Me? What I did?
Susie.
Let's continue and get over with this. Cause now time for yes.
Where are we? We did start off at page 37, and you were supposed to do the paragraph setting for that. So sort that out, and let us go forward. Good? So start off with that one.
Nikki. I know some go by shop yesterday and them saying up there. So, you know, whatever me have here, me not bother. Me not go bother with it. I want now.
Want to talk to you, come on 5-1.
Alright, Nikki, me call you, okay? So, I want to know what kind of, because normally I me come check you. So, I know say I must suck me up. What you up to now?
That if you know, because I don't like people yard. You notice? I own me whole a zone. What me say me do? Own me a zone. Me stay in my territory. I don't like people yard. But you see, this is history. Me have to come to you. But this cause the hotter road.
See, they are listening to my mash up.
Sealer. Oi, me I talk to you. Left them there when you don't fix them because this serious. No mind your police come in your yard. You better listen to me.
Come over yard.
Yours and not mine. Listen to me now. The other day, Patrick come at my doorway. You understand? As me did about to go to shop, pull the door at Patrick that. Patrick say he miss a lot of money from over in yard.
So what you say?
Just listen.
No, but it's you come over here, so again you go cry. You say something to do with me and money. Why you do this?
You listen? Are you listening?
Talk, me I listen.
You're the listener, you're not listening.
Me say talk.
Okay.
And the sun start burn me now
Okay.
since you start talk.
Yeah, man. We are black people. If you get burned in a sun, vitamin, good for your body. Listen how you go. Patrick say he miss a lot of money from over in yard, and the reason why he come to me is to find out from me if me see, not if him see, if me see my daughter come home with one grey bag.
Hey, your daughter take your money.
Hey, Albert, you see if you don't want
Me ask you a question. Your daughter take your money then? Because you talk about money and you say your daughter and you miss the bag. Now your daughter do extra class enough time there, so I look over there, so your daughter, me see her and him, I go inside. And the conversation them, I don't know me now say, but it look sound proper. You understand me I say? And that me I say.
Papa Jesus, me I beg you forgive me faith. Hold me Jesus with your
What
right
you mean
hand.
hold you Jesus,
because
sir?
right now you get me ignorant. Albert, you figure out who you talk to? Albert, me know say you're a big time criminal for a long time. Big
So what
thief.
that mean?
Me tired for bail you down a police station.
One time you bail me down a police
a lot
station.
of time. I know you not give me back none of my money them yet.
Me
Because
give back
sometimes
your-
you not got no court and me have to go pay the fine for you. Idiot. Right now, me sit down on my yard and it a puzzle me. Me dey wonder and a ponder if you take away Patrick money.
And on me.
And
me. So stop say if I.
Me never
Why
say
you
you.
come over here so? Yeah, say if I me.
Yo.
What you say about
Me
that?
never say you.
So what you say?
Me say me dey wonder and a ponder if you because me know say you're a criminal and me know say you always going here because you are my friend. Even though me and you are my friend, me know say you and my friend more than me. Me and you are my friend, but the two are no closer.
So when-
And me never going in house yet. Never ever. The farthest me go, I in doorway. And the reason why me catch so close to in doorway are because me want my daughter to go in class at evening time.
So-
me and him know in nothing else.
So tell me something now.
We are neighbor but nothing else.
Shanika,
What?
tell me this now. Why is it that I would do that such a thing to my friend? It's my friend. So you feel like I would do that to my friend?
And me, you really ask such a question? Why is it me that do such
You
a
doubt
thing
me,
to my
you
friend?
doubt me long time, you know. So from you
Me
hear
not doubt you.
information.
Thomas, me not doubt you. You
name
doubt
Thomas?
yourself. You. Thomas, you are doubtful,
name
Thomas.
Thomas?
Dirty Albert, your name doubtful Thomas for a long time
So make
because
you
you
come so
doubt
close.
yourself. That's why you feel say. That's why you feel say you can't get a proper job and tap thief and grown and a broke people.
I don't thief.
They gonna charge you for last name, burglar bar, criminal, everything that's bad. Your name in a government system. You're in the file, up in the system, way up in a government computer. You're there. Me sorry for you.
Come out of me.
Oi, come out of which yard. And that you feel do. You
Come
see
out
if
of
they
me.
bill black and then they share, me
Come out of
push you over there.
Come
So.
out of me.
Because first of all, from me just come to you, they make you know say.
Come out of me, yeah.
Me suspect you say you're a thief and you go over there so go thief, although me know say you're a professional, you a big old professional thief for a long time.
Are you a professional thief? Eh?
You say if I never want thing on the black then
You
they
should
me
leave me yard.
push you over there.
Leave
So.
me yard.
Leave your yard from
Leave
me
me
come
yard.
to you, you try to disrespect me.
Me a try disrespect?
If I'm a daughter thief, you thief. Hey, my daughter can't thief.
I'm not-
And she will never thief. You see you, I don't trust you, but you see Patrick a idiot.
What you touch me for?
Patrick a idiot.
What you touch me for?
If although me not too in a Patrick, me like him as my friend and as my daughter, evening class teacher. Nothing else, but me I tell you, if I me like a Patrick man, me a go hobby man for you.
You mean hobby man?
Try and sell little dirty nastiness.
I say
Because
like
you're too wicked, boy.
Come on,
Look
tell me
how
that.
Patrick
Higher,
me might
come on, tell me
hire your backside, I might have slap in
Come
your
on, tell me
clad.
that.
Who you talk to me?
Hey, come out of me.
I
Come
mean,
out of me.
I
yard.
talk
You call police for you.
Call police for me and see who they lock up today.
Yo, come out of me, yard, man. Just come out of me. Just leave me.
Oi! call police for me and see who then lock up. Your name don't association how much time.
Go on and leave, man. Go on and... Are your house then broke? Are your things then loose?
I'm in neighbor house then,
yeah,
bro.
But
Although you're my neighbor.
You take up everything. Go on, man, and leave me alone, man, and come out of my business.
Okay,
Just
so you look like a chew me they talk and me they think right. Are you thief Patrick money?
When you send me thief Patrick money?
Are you thief man money?
I don't do nothing like
come
that. What you talking about?
Right now your name down a station 1 million times. You figure that who bail
One time you bail me and I talk foolish.
The amount of time you thief,
Defamation of character.
Don't talk for me, I talk. You say foolishness.
Yeah.
Who science, so? If I'm like a Patrick, me bust up your face.
Come out of me yard! Come out of me yard!
Come out of which?
I soon give one higher here. Come out of me yard!
Give who one higher?
Come out of me yard!
If
Come out of me
like,
yard!
shut up. If I'm like a Patrick, me obia every year pan your
Where's
front.
Obia?
Every year when I drop off of your front, you're too damn thief, you're top thief.
Come out of me yard, I see you. That's why you're not a good friend. You're a dirty neighbor, you're dirty people. Accusation.
How about Pacha? How are you doing, brother? Yes. I'm there, man. A couple of days now, I see how I go on. You know, so I take a little time off to go relax my little brain and my brother. Stress out a little bit, you know. Me understand. Why me understand, brother? Because if miss money, I don't want a normal thing. Brother. So me understand, brother. Me understand. Me just know say.
But we miss so much money. A 1.8 million.
Jesus Christ, me yes, you lose money, but me didn't say as much. Me didn't say as much, brother. God no.
I don't know. I'm not even up to now. I don't have a clue as to who really take out the money.
But brother, how you have so much money in your hand?
Well,
Eh?
that is another story. You know, say.
But you can't go bank, brother.
Oh Jesus. Oh God, you know, say I want foolish advice. Me go take and listen, and boy, it cost me dearly.
Why? No, that you tell me how much you lose. Just cross my mind. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, the man.
My brother you talk, we live next door there.
Yeah, Albert. Me see say man buy new car and me the other wonder say I won't get money from buy car now. Cause me know say he no love work. The one day for scamming her, he probably meet one white girl or something. But now that you tell me say your money missing.
What is it? Brand new car, boy?
Yeah, now that you tell me say me don't know if a brand new or a used or whatever, but it look good. So now that you tell me say your money missing. Me I wonder.
But me not, no sir, me not think so. Why did I do me that? No sir.
Alright, me never, alright, well, me know why you start free him still, you know, me just wanna say. You see me? Me just a say.
No sir, I don't think so, Albert, that is such a thing.
Alright, well, me just still have to come yell you up and look for you still, cause...
Man, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, cause you don't know me not see a school and sitting and... Everybody me ask, you know, really give me no full disclosure, and nothing still down there. I say, boy, you lose a piece of money, you get shake up over it, you see me? Me ask you and nobody not give me no full disclosure. Everybody's tight-lipped. You know what I said? Then just I say you lose some money, you shake up. So, I just one of them things. But you report it though?
Yeah, man, I reported it, man, and everything. So, it's in the investigators and...
Alright, so I hope sitting pop up still. But you know what Jamaica with this, so...
Okay.
Alright, so go and hold them, Zane.
Respect yourself, yeah? Albert, by car.
Serve!
Hello.
One chick.
The bartender there, bartender some come.
Albert,
What are you say?
wait there, hold on there. NSC, red label, and white rum. No, sir. So at this, you take your money and they do.
Take which money? Where that was?
No wonder why your woman have feel left a little dirty backside.
Something wrong.
Look how your clothes look dirty. Like you're not even beat from another. Lick me with it. Lick me with it.
Everywhere we go, you have a line with a blinking
Albert,
backside.
you're drunk.
Who drunk?
Albert, you're drunk.
Me not drunk, me rich.
You're
What I want?
You're rich.
Me rich, me not drunk. Me enjoy myself. Me can't enjoy myself. Me work
what?
hard, you know.
Now what text me?
You know what I'm tea I come talk about. I'm come talk about with this.
Jesus Christ. No, sir.
Hmm?
This is serious.
Hey, what's my bike here?
Hold on there. Me I text somebody. Me I text somebody first. Hold on. Me soon talk to you. Hold on. See you drink too much. You're drunk.
Don't tell me some drunk.
You can't control yourself, Albert. Oh, what text me?
Let me say what text you. Who care what text you? Eh? The people like I don't know how to make it in their life, you know. They can't make it.
I'm hearing
Because you're not willing to do certain things in their life. You understand? If you do certain things in life, you're not going to make it. You understand me? I say,
It's alright. No worry yourself.
worry myself. I'm
Yeah.
not myself. I'm not worry myself. I'm rich. I have money.
Me know you waste money.
I waste money. When you say waste money, you talk about. Me enjoy myself. One life to live. Or two life you have? You have spare life around there? Eh? Something wrong with your life. You see my new car, boy?
What you say?
You see my new car. Are you something wrong with the ace?
What you just say?
Me ask if something wrong with the ace. Me buy a new car, brand spanking new.
Where you get money from, Albert?
Who say me get money from?
Me know say you're a thief every minute you walk on broke people place. Where you get money from?
Where me get money from?
Albert, you don't have no money for buy car. You too lie. You can buy car.
Sometimes you get gifts in life, you have to just go and take it.
Watch out. Albert Jung still in the laugh with himself. Maybe he all mad. The second floor or first floor for your right
it's when money
or
put
a 10th
down.
floor.
It's when money put down. You have to just know when and go take up.
Albert, so you drink off this?
I'm going to drink off this.
Me backside all NOC. Watch out. No, Albert, you're going too bad now.
Oh, yeah, take a minute to back
Albert.
them. I want to. You back a police? Look at the back of them. If it's money, can't see the back of them.
So much money.
Let me see so much money.
You know how much you want NSC? You really a waste money.
But I don't sell them for money.
Why you not taking your mind, you pitney them and send them at school?
We never get no pitney. People pitney me.
Right, Albert get 7 pitney and say no have no pitney.
I never get one table, girl. One table. But right now, I'm going to take care of
them. So my name, girl, and I remember my name. In junk for true. Jesus Christ, me sorry for you.
In junk for stop calling me drums, I'm rich.
You're not junk, you're rich. So, how when you win lotto?
I shouldn't lie to me. So sometimes some things they put on, you have to know when to take it.
Oh. What you mean? Sometimes when some things put on, you have to
what you mean? That's what I'm telling you.
it.
Don't worry about it. Bartender. Buckling done a long time now.
Albert, where you get money from by car?
Where you coming from?
You
come to contact me?
No, me want one chips and me frightened.
So the chips and go where you go?
But me never know say
you come kill me vibes me there bar try and drive me look alive. You come contact about.
Albert,
where you get money from?
Where you get money from to buy car?
Take money put on and me take money. Simple as that. And me get a little luck.
Okay.
Or you want to look like my luck? You can't get my luck, you're looking like me.
No, come in a thief like you. I don't want lucky like you.
I'm not thief. You did just take up it.
Jesus
Thief when you're running a sorry.
So who for place, who for shop you broke or who for house?
Who for shop you broke or who for house?
So where you get the money from? And where you find it from? You see you see money put on
your ask us what question for. Who you be? You're police?
No, but me your friend.
No, you
know you can't tell me anything.
Tell you?
Tell nobody.
No matter tell anything, tell anybody. Because all me I tell you is me are rich right now, I'm gonna live my life. Yes, sir. Get a trip and go on.
Know yourself. You see things put on
bartender.
your sticky.
My luck, I want you.
Your luck.
What do you mean?
I want to look like you.
Something wrong with you?
Me, look at who text me.
Text you? Where come on your phone? I want your phone.
You're not business about that. My phone this.
Come out of the shop. Leave me alone.
Leave
me alone alone. You buying drink? You drink
no.
rum? Where you there buying a drink rum? That's the first thing.
You don't buy one chips.
Chips what? Chips what?
Where bartender there?
I don't care who is the bartender. The bartender that you know. Step away, man. Rotted, man. You just kill my vibes everywhere. Me there, me yard. You come check me and come talk bullshit. You understand? Just leave me alone.
Albert, you know, say you're a professional thief, but you just see things put on and you take you as a criminal. I want the police then lock you up. Anybody money you thief, they shall lock you up. It's a wicked. how his son hot now. Patrick!
Hello. You don't have to be calling out my name like that. I'm not inside.
No long me come and sit up in his son and call you and me never know say no in there his son hot man. Me can't go over this and I should him and talk to you a little bit.
Alright.
His son hot. Wait.
What is it now, Shanika?
Patrick, you hear how teach your money?
No.
So you look so. How? Are you stress you out?
How is it that you want me to be? Have a pleasant smile on my face when I
No,
know
me
how much
never
a
say if
million
you have no
missing?
pleasant smile. Me want to know if you find out who thief your money. Because remember say you come on me yard and come and ask me say if me see my daughter carry one grey bag over there. True because my daughter come at your evening class. If you say my daughter thief your money.
I apologize about that. So why is it that you're coming to me again with the same story? Let it go now, please.
What you mean me feel let it go? Me not let it go because I come like a style. You come for style my daughter. And look here, you can't sell a style. And if you come about my daughter, you come about me. So you see next time you come on me yard, you call me phone because you have my number. Don't just walk up so. If me set Rex for you and a bad dog you will name off your face. Don't do it again. Anyway, me dey go over the bar over there so. Eh? Not so too long me go over there so. You don't know a bar over Cooley Town over there so.
What does that have to do with anything,
What
Shanika?
you mean what that have to do with anything? You better shut your dirty stinking mouth and stop chat. That me they tell you, cause right now I feel like we style you, cause you come on me gate and come style me. Right on me doorway, you out there, me go over a bar over there so go buy one chips. Guess who me see in there? Your big hot friend when name Albert. Albert drunk. Albert drunk like a battle and the holler out how easy things put on and he take it. Albert thief your money if you never know. Next time don't come on me yard come judge me daughter like that. And who to tell if you go on nobody else yard go ask them if they daughter.
I did go to several other houses
Me
for your
can't prove that.
information. But then why? But I don't understand. You come to tell me something and then you strain away
no,
from the
because
fact.
me not stray. Me want to forget if in your brain. Say next time, you know, just walk up on me and come say things to me then kind of way. Then me feel hurt and my daughter don't do it.
And me apologize. What else you want me to do?
When you apologize? When?
Jesus
I shouldn't tell you nothing. Right now, Albert thief your money, in drunk like a bat and in buy car. And that you fi know. If you think I lie, me then tell.
What you say? Hold on it.
Me
you
not.
have proof of what you say now?
Me have proof. You can't tell me nothing. You think me idiot too? Me know say Albert a liar when he sober and we say no, see so. Me record the drunk rock. Me record it. Me look for it. Wait. Yes, me have proof.
So wrong with your life. Is it my new car, man?
What you say?
Yes, my new car. I something is.
What you just say?
Me ask you something wrong with the ace. Me buy a new car, brand spanking new.
Where you get money from, Albert?
Who say me get money from?
Me know say you're a thief every minute you walk on broke people place. Where you get money from?
Me get money from?
Albert, you don't have no money for buy car. You can't lie. You can buy car.
Sometimes I get gifts in life. You have to just go and take it.
Watch out. Albert Junk still in the laugh with himself. Maybe he's all mad. The second floor and first floor here right
now. There's money for them.
Floor.
There's money for them. Yeah, we don't know when I'm going to
Albert, so you drink all this?
I'm going to drink all this.
Me backside all NRC. Watch out. No, Albert, you're going to drink bad now.
NRC?
Albert.
You're back at police?
So much money.
So much money.
You know what you want NRC? You're really a waste of money. No, just listen. Take your mind and pick them and send them to school. No, listen.
You're
right, Albert. Get 7 pick me and say no, I have no pick me.
I'm never get one tail, girl. One tail. But right now, I'm going to take care of
it. So my name, girl, and I remember my name. In junk for you. Jesus Christ, I'm sorry for you.
In junk for you. Stop calling me junk, I'm rich.
You're not junk, you're rich. So, I win a win letter.
Sometimes some things they put on you have to know when to take it.
Oh. What you mean?
Me don't want to hear nothing more. Me don't want to hear nothing more. Me don't want to hear nothing more. Everything, Chris. You wait, send me that voice note. Send me that voice. Everything, Chris. Y'all go hear about it. Here. Y'all go hear about it.
You're not even say thank you. You just walk off, so. Gone to me yard.
Yeah, what kind of urgency? What kind of urgency show up on?
Albert, how long now me know you?
Over 10 years now.
Over 10 years.
We are a good friend, my real friend.
Why, Albert? We are grow from far, man. I'm tell you, say one of the wickedest things you see a man can hate. It's a bad mind. It's a wicked. But you see one sitting named thief.
What you talking about?
Boy, me I tell you, Albert, them boy. I want a wicked piece of sitting in, brother.
But Patrick, wait. How are you going? You find out how to take your money? Eh?
I did just that, you know. You don't know, say. One birdie come tell me something last night.
Say what?
You are the one with thief the money.
No.
Take it and buy car. My money, hard earning money.
Who tell you that? No. Who tell you the bullshit about birdie?
Who tell me that? Brother, Albert, why you so wicked? Albert, why you so wicked? Albert?
I know me.
Yes, sir.
Help!
The money and buy car. You think man around put you? You think man around put you? You think that's what it is?
I get more time on this one.
Me. They ain't gonna charge you for last name, burglar bar, criminal, everything that's bad. Your name in a government system. You're in the file, up in the system, way up in a government computer. You're there. Me sorry for you. Oh, come out with you. And that's your video. You see if they're building black and they shape, me push you over there. So. Because first of all, from me just come to you, they make you know, say, me suspect you say you're a thief and you go over there to go thief, although me know say you're a professional, you a big old professional thief for a long time.
Are you a professional thief and me?
What me thief from you? Come out with you.
A long time you give a higher wound.
No, higher wound. Me go tell Patrick. You know, the last one. He's too fool and then Javi they follow you there. The last one. 1 minute now, last. Me walk with. Me walk with. Me say it and walk with.
Ready? Whatever. Same thing, man. Same thing.
You thief me money. My money, hard earning money.
Who tell you that? No. Who tell you the fool sister about birdie?
Who tell me that? Brother, Albert, why you so wicked? Albert, why you so wicked? Albert?
I know me.
I know me. Yes, sir. Why you so wicked?
I know me, man.
What you mean by another?
You subscribe here.